5 reasons why you should absolutely take martial arts. Let's get into them right now. In no particular order, number 1, it opens a lot of doors for you. You can't imagine how many doors open for you when you have martial arts skills. You can put that on your resume for work, college. Opens a whole lot of doors that you wouldn't expect would open with just martial arts skills. Number 2, it creates a community of good, strong-minded leaders in your life. Family atmosphere, a second home within your studio. Great feeling to have within martial arts. Number 3, it creates a leader within every single one of us. Whether you like it or not, you're going to become a leader if you do this long enough. Martial arts creates leaders one black belt at a time. Number 4, you learn how to defend yourself. You learn awesome skills that you will take for the rest of your life. You will know how to understand martial arts, and it will roll into other aspects of your life. Learning will just be easier once you know self-defense, punches, kicks, strikes, all those blocks. Everything will be easier when you learn these martial arts skills. And number 5, you will learn how to set goals. Sorry to say, you're just going to start doing this naturally, and this will become a habit. And when you even get out of martial arts or you go into a different field, you will still have these martial art goal-setting habits that's going to take you within your life, and that's going to create a lot more comfortable lifestyle, and you will start setting goals and you will achieve those goals. It's just something that actually happens. All right, so those are my 5. If you think of any other 5, put them down in the comments below. Make sure to like, subscribe. Until next time, train hard, train smart. See you then.